Okay, what's up my people? I hope you are all doing fine. I hope you had a fantastic day. So I've just received a package from Cookware Platinum and I want to unbox it with you. So let's unbox together and see what it is. Cookware Platinum is an online store that sells kitchen stuffs and utensils. They have legit stuff, guys. Let's unbox this together. Wow, you guys, look at these awesome plates. Look at these awesome plates. Wow, 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 wow. Let me put them there for you to see. Wow. And I'm telling you, the quality is top notch. Wow, wow, wow. Cookware Platinum. You guys, you better take all your monies to that shop. And they have variety of plates with different colors, different sizes. Wow. See what I've just received, guys. You better take all your monies there. So I'm going to tag them so that anyone who wants can reach them via their DM, or I will post their WhatsApp number. So you guys have a blessed night.